Hello everyone, welcome to the Mortgage Brothers Show. It is April 12th, a Tuesday, and I am Eddie Cannell. My brother and I are local mortgage brokers right here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're only licensed in the state of Arizona. However, if you are watching this from any other state, it's still relevant to you because really the interest rates and mortgage markets are national. Like anything that you hear on this show will apply to you, no matter whether you live in California, Florida, Massachusetts. But again, we are only licensed in the state of Arizona and help borrowers purchase homes and refinance homes here in Arizona. So let's just get right into a quick disclaimer before we get into this is that we are not financial advisors. We are not your loan originator, at least if you have not hired us yet. So again, this is for informational purposes only. And let's go right into today's interest rates. So what we're looking at right now is in the market right now, as crazy as the interest rate market has been over these last 90 days, the 30-year fixed mortgage rates are at 4.875, that the APR is at 4.913, the 15-year fixed conventional is at 3.99, and the 5-year ARM is 3.875. The 30-year fixed FHA is 4.375, and the 30-year fixed VA loan is also at 4.375. You also see the loan assumptions down below. Those are important just to keep in mind. Now today, April 12th, just this morning, the inflation numbers came out, the consumer price index, and it came out slightly above expectations. Inflation is now at 8.5%. That's the March inflation in 2022. From the March 2021 to March 2022, inflation has gone up 8.5%. So what you'll see on this chart is right up here in that red line is the inflation number. I think that's the most important takeaway on this chart right now because it's fresh off the press, is how high the inflation number has been. But we will see historically back to 2015 on this chart where that blue line is, that's the 30-year fix. This is where we're at today. The green line is the 15-year fix, and that orange line is the 5-year adjustable rate mortgage. Now, I think it's also good to kind of show you what a loan scenario looks like today. Like in Arizona, really in Maricopa County, where we're located, the median income or the median purchase price of a home is $470,000. So what I'm going to be showing you is what a $470,000 home purchase looks like, whether a borrower is putting 3% down all the way up to 50% down based on the interest rates today. And what you will also, now I also plugged in my calculator here a couple of things as well, but what you'll notice is this is a grid form. So if you're watching this right now and you want to if you ever want to reference this, you can pause it, you can take a look at this grid. A lot of people like grids, a lot of people don't like grids, but this is helpful. I happen to like grids. So if you look at this, you can kind of see, okay, here's my payment based off of 10% down, 25% down. I'm also estimating what the homeowner's insurance would look like, the taxes. So I think that'll be helpful, but let's just look at it from another chart just to give you some perspective. Okay, so this is the monthly payments. Today, borrower wants to buy this house at $470,000. They want to put 3% down. That payment total would be an estimated $2,836. Now, versus someone who puts 25% down, their payment would be about $2,179. Okay, now, so that's about $600 difference, or $650 difference. But something else that's really important is take a look at the inflation. You're probably wondering, see that red bar on the right? Now this is actually inflation. I'm calling it inflation. A lot of people in real estate will also call it appreciation. Like if the home appreciates, well, it's appreciating for a couple reasons, but primarily let's just call it inflation. The home is inflating. It's appreciating or inflating, but it's really the same thing. Over the next year, what will the home be worth next year? Most experts are anticipating or estimating a 7% increase. All right, I mean, inflation this month, right? We just heard 8%, 8.5%. So it's very likely there's the pent-up demand in the market will probably have about 7% inflation. That means every month that $470,000 home increases in value about $2,700. So right up there, that line right there, meaning it just, gosh, if you put 5%, that's basically, if you put 5% down, your payment is $2,700 as well. So inflation is offsetting your payment. All right, so every month that you don't purchase, or a borrower did not purchase a $470,000 home in Phoenix, that house is inflating about equal to their payment if they put 5% down. Just thought that was an interesting way to look at it. Also, something that I think is also cool to see is over the total term of the loan. This is a 30-year fixed mortgage, but just looking over the what is the total interest you would be paying based on these rates today for this type of home, you will see that if you put 3% down, over 30 years, you will be spending about $400,000 in interest. But if you put 25% down, you'll be paying about $309,000 on the total interest for the loan. Okay, so that really concludes the the interest rate update. If anyone's really interested in, you're either researching purchasing a house or researching refinancing a house, this is a great channel to subscribe to. We're going to keep you guys up to date. If you're a real estate agent and you have clients or sellers and buyers who you just want to have them be educated while they're in this process of buying or selling a home, be sure to share the channel. And hope everyone has a great day. Again, Monday through Friday, we'll be doing this update. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers podcast. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. You can email your questions to team@azmortgagebrothers.com, and be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. We'll be sure to give you personalized service and help you through the whole process.
Signature Home Loans LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans NMLS 1007154, NMLS number 210917 and 1618695, Equal Housing Lender.